Commit your way to the Lord, trust also in him, and he shall bring it to pass. Psalm 37 verse 5.
Good day, class. Today, we are going to learn something very important for every small business owner, and that is bookkeeping or keeping business records. When we say business records, we are talking about all the notes or documents that show how much money comes in and how much money goes out of your business. Who among you here sells something and likes snacks, milk tea, or load? When you sell or buy something for your business, it's important to write it down. That's what bookkeeping means. Let's learn this step by step. Bookkeeping means writing down and keeping track of all the money that enters and leaves your business. It's like writing a diary, but instead of feelings, you write about money. If you sell bread for 100, you write it down as money coming in. If you buy flour for P50, you write it down as money going out. So class, if I bought sugar for P30, is that money going in or going out? Very good. That is the main idea of bookkeeping, recording all business transactions. A bookkeeper is the person who writes all these records. The bookkeeper acts like a scorekeeper in a basketball game. They don't play, but they record every score, or in business, every money movement. If the bookkeeper records 500 for sales and 200 for expenses, how much is left? That's right. The bookkeeper helps the business owner know if the business is earning or losing. Bookkeeping has two main jobs. First, to record transactions, and second, to post debits and credits. Recording means writing all money activities of the business. There are different kinds of records. Every peso must be written down, even small ones, because all small expenses can become big later. When we record money, we use two sides. The left side is called debit, doctor, and the right side is called credit, CR. You sell bread for 100, debit, cash, P100. You buy flour for P50, credit, cash, P50. So, class, when money comes into the business, is it debit or credit? And when money goes out? Perfect. Just remember, debit takars in, credit takars out. Bookkeeping is not only writing, it helps you understand your business. Let's look at the reasons why it is important. So class, bookkeeping is like a mirror. It helps you see if your business looks good or needs improvement. Every business must keep 5 types of records. These are very important. You can use a simple notebook or folder. Label each page: income, expenses, purchases, assets, and taxes. Assets are what your business owns. Liabilities are what your business owes. Owner's equity is what belongs to you, the owner. Example: if you have a machine worth $10,000, asset, and you still owe $4,000, liability, your share or equity is $6,000. Own arkash assets. OA, arkash liabilities. Owner's share, arkash equity. In business, we have 5 basic accounts. Let's remember them with simple examples. Assets we own, liabilities we owe, equity we keep, revenue we reap, expenses we pay, every day. When we record money, we use two sides, left and right. This helps keep the business record balanced. You sell bread for P100. Debit cash, P100, money in. Credit sales, P100, recorded income. You buy flour for P50. Debit supplies, P50. You now have flour. Credit cash, P50, money out. Debit means in, credit means out. If I pay 200 for electricity, is that debit or credit? Good job. You're learning fast. So class, bookkeeping is very important for every business owner. It helps you see where your money goes, and if your business is earning or not. Bookkeeping means writing down all money transactions. Debit, in, credit, out. Bookkeeping helps in budgeting, taxes, and decision-making. Always keep complete records. Remember the basic accounting equation. Assets, bright liabilities, plus owner's equity. Now let's practice. Imagine you own a small bakery. Which are debit and which are credit? You did great today. Bookkeeping may look hard, but if you practice every day, you'll understand it easily.
Directions: read each item carefully. Select the letter of the best answer from the choices given. What is bookkeeping? A. The process of borrowing money from investors. B. The act of writing down and tracking all money going in and out of a business. C. The preparation of marketing materials. D. The hiring of employees for a business. Who is responsible for recording the money earned and spent in a business? A. Accountant. B. Manager. C. Bookkeeper. D. Cashier. Why is bookkeeping important for a business? A. It helps in managing employees. B. It ensures the products are always available. C. It helps in budgeting, tax filing, and tracking growth. D. It focuses mainly on customer service. What is the main difference between assets and liabilities? A. Assets are what the business owes, liabilities are what it owns. B. Assets are what the business owns, liabilities are what it owes. C. Both refer to business expenses. D. Both refer to owner's profit. How does bookkeeping help a business owner make better decisions? A. It provides updated price lists for products. B. It provides clear financial information for planning and control. C. It lists employee performance. D. It tracks the number of customers only. If you sell bread for 100 Cuban pesos and buy flour for 50 Cuban pesos, how would you record these transactions? A. Debit 50 Cuban pesos to cash, credit 100 Cuban pesos to sales. B. Debit 100 Cuban pesos to cash, credit 100 Cuban pesos to sales, debit 50 Cuban pesos to purchases, credit 50 Cuban pesos to cash. C. Debit 100 Cuban pesos to sales, credit 50 Cuban pesos to cash. D. Debit 150 Cuban pesos to purchases, credit 150 Cuban pesos to sales. When applying the debit and credit rule, what side is debit usually recorded on? A. Right side. B. Top side. C. Left side. D. Bottom side. What could happen to a business that fails to keep proper financial records? A. It will attract more investors. B. It will always increase profit. C. It may lose track of its profit and make poor decisions. D. It can easily pay its taxes. Why is accurate bookkeeping important in building trust with investors and tax authorities? A. It hides business losses. B. It shows transparency and reliability in financial reporting. C. It avoids paying taxes. D. It limits the owner's income. What should a simple bookkeeping chart for a small bakery include? A. Product prices only. B. Employee schedules. C. Columns for income, expenses, and assets. D. Customer feedback. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Philippians 4 verse 13.